Let's take a look at this. This is one cool truck, 1948 International. Would have started life as a KB1 style pickup. Now it has been turned into a pro street looking truck. I call it a street rod. 48 International street rod, a little pro street look to it with the way the rear's tubbed and fuel cell in the pickup bed of it. Very, very nice truck. This is all steel. Now if you take a look, this has had custom fabricated running boards and fenders, front to rear, both sides. Those are all steel. This truck is all steel. What a great look. Nice rake to it. Good stance. Powered by a 5.7 liter V8 GM power plant underneath the hood. Puts out 385 horse. That's paired with a 700 R4. So it's got an automatic with overdrive transmission. So I mean, this truck can be driven also. Don't let its looks fool you. It's got some creature comforts also. Power steering, power brakes, AC. So very nice truck, very nicely loaded. Just an incredible look to it. Just don't see a lot of the International pickups around anymore. Great paint to it. Nice red and black flame job on this one. Flowmaster exhaust. As you can see, it's coming out the side back by the running board there. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, the engine bay, the interior, check out the still pictures. You can click on the link down in the description of this video. That'll take you right to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, where you can check this truck out. Feel free to give us a call, too, if you got any questions on it. 507-386-1726 is the number you can reach us at. You can see how nice this paint is on this truck, too. Just put on smooth. Great look to it. See how straight it is up and down the side. I just love what they did with the custom fabrication of the fenders and running boards all incorporated. Come around to the back. Like I said, here's kind of where that Pro Street comes in. The big tires in the back. Cool wing. Now, like I said, the fuel cell is back here. You can see it has a hard tonneau cover, if you will. That does have struts on it, so you can lift it up. There is a fuel cell back there. Like I said, you can check out those still pictures. So you can check out the bed of it, the engine bay. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Or like I said, click on the link down below in the description of this video. Take you right there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And we can sure assist you with getting this to where you're located at and help you out with the transportation and lining that all up. 1948 International pickup. Started as a KB1. Now a nice Pro Street looking truck. Has had a 4-inch chop, by the way. It is a custom box and cover, if you hadn't noticed that. And like I said, the fenders and running boards all hand fabricated for this truck. Does have a 9-inch Ford rear end also. Let you know about that. And then just a lot of special paint, interior, a lot of stuff done in this truck. Let's go ahead. I'm going to pop it open here a second. Take a look at the interior. Nice door cards. There's a cool touch. Little IH emblem in the polished aluminum down there. It does have a slight little wear spot in the seat. Give you the heads up, but VDO gauges, I believe the majority of them are. See the tachometer on the dash, and then AC controls, automatic on the floor, tilt column. What a great looking interior. Let's go ahead and fire this truck up so you can hear it running. We'll pop that hood and have you check out the engine bay too here. See how easily it starts. It does have a stereo head unit right there, custom speakers installed down below, and this appears to be a little Cobra scanner, or Cobra CV. I believe is what that is. Why not? It's a pickup, right? How cool. Let's look around to the back so you can see how nice everything fits. While that door closes, come around here, you can hear those Flowmasters. Nothing crazy. Like I said, this truck's made to be driven also. Reliable 350, 5.7 liter under the hood, 7R4 transmission. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second, and we'll pop the hood and check out the engine bay. All right, got the prop rod up and the hood held up. There you go. Check it out. How nice this is too. The chrome, valve covers, alternator, air cleaner. Really dressed up nice underneath there. See the AC compressor, power steering, power brakes. It's plumbed in very nicely. What a great looking engine bay. Great looking truck all the way around. There you have it. 1948 International Street Rod Pickup. Give us a call. Phone number, one last time, 507-386-1726. Again, the link down below in the description of this video. Click on it, take you right to our website where you check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Do consider trades, financing's available, and of course we can sure help you out get the transportation lined up to get this beauty in your driveway. Give us a call.